Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you have been watching my videos for a while, you would know I have grey hair. So basically I have to color my hair or give some touch up every now and then. So I color my hair at home because scheduling an appointment and going to the parlor beforehand is not my thing. And also our wallets doesn't allow us to go every month to the parlor for the hair color. So I have some gray hair in the front area, and as you can see there is no gray hair right now as I have done coloring. And if you want to know which color I'm using and what is the procedure, so I've been telling you in a while, so keep watching. And if you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe. So I've been using this color since so long, that is L'Oreal. The shade is 400. As you can see, my natural color is brown, so I've gone for this shade, that is dark brown shade number 400. But if you have like naturally color is black, then you can go for the black shade. Okay, so the best part is I apply this color only at my gray hair and nowhere else, and it does not make me feel like a mismatch because my natural color is brown only. So select your own shade and you will not feel or you will not have any concern regarding mixed match, right? But if you want to like if you want to change your hair color, then you can go for this one. That is L'Oreal. Again, this shade is golden brown, so it will give you a light golden brown color, and this is very nice. Okay, if you have same length as me, then you would require two boxes so that you can change the whole color, but it won't cover your gray hair. For the gray hair, you have to go for this only. You have to select your own shade and you can use it. Like nearly I apply color once in 2 months. So I've been very satisfied with this. And let's come on and see what's inside these both boxes. So let me first open this box. So these are the gloves we are getting in the small manual. In both the boxes you will getting the manuals, so you can read them, and inside the manual there will be gloves and there will be no tinting brush, right? So if you want the brush, you have to get it on your own. These three bottles from this packet. Okay, so these both are the main part, that is they both help you in getting the colors. You have to mix them, and the mixture you have to apply it to your gray hair, and then like you have to keep it for 30 minutes, wash it, and then you're done. So I'll be showing you the procedure one by one, but let me just give you the description first. Then the third bottle is this. It's like conditioner you can say, but the name of this bottle is Shine Masquerade with Royal Jelly. So once you're done with the color parts, and then you have to wash it with the water. After that you have to apply this for 3 minutes, keep it for 3 minutes, and then wash it. So it will give you some shine and make your hair smooth. So let me just talk about the second packet, that is we have for the golden brown. Okay, so in this packet again you have the manual and the gloves, but no tinting brush. Then you have inside this one 4 bottles. Okay, so these are the 4 bottles used. These both are again used for coloring your hair. You have to mix them and then you have to color your hair. So basically you will require 2 packets, as I have told you, because you have to change your whole color. Then second is again this time we call it this French oil, which you have to apply after washing your hair. This will give some shine and smooth. Then packet, the L'Oreal is also giving you this shampoo that after applying the color you have to shampoo, you have to apply this French oil. So these are the 4 bottles you are getting in this golden one. For both the packets, now applying these both, the procedure is totally same, nothing is different. Some of the difference is there, so we'll go to the steps one by one, and the point where is the difference I will explain you that. Okay, make sure you wash your hairs 24 hours before applying the color so that your hair does not have excessive oil or dirt. Now the first step is wet your hair, which I have already done. So second step, I have taken both of my bottles from dark brown color shade packet. Now I'm going to mix them on the basis of the gray hair I have. It will be in the ratio of 60 to 40. 60, 40. I have mixed the mixture. Let me just show you. Okay, so till now the procedure for coloring your hair globally or just your gray hair was same, and it will also remain same. Just the difference is when you are coloring your hair globally, you divide your hair into 2 parts and start coloring from the root till the length. But when it comes when you have to color only your gray hair, then make the section from there, starting from there, because actually I have gray hair only in the starting area, not in the back area. So I will start it from this section and we'll see whether I have gray hair or not. Wherever I can find my gray hair, I will just color only that portion, nothing else, right? So let me start. I'm done with applying the color and these are my natural hair, so यहाँ पे मुझे ज़रूरत नहीं थी. So the areas in which it was required, I have applied it. You can see all of the areas. Now I'm going to wait for the 30 minutes and after that I'm just going to wash it with the water. I'm not going to apply any shampoo after this. After just washing with the water, I'm going to apply this mascara jelly which I got with the packet itself, and we'll be keeping it for like 3 minutes and then again I will wash it. So no shampoo is required, and so let me just wait for 30 minutes. Okay, so I'm done with it and now just I'm going to sit and have my cup of tea. But before that, let me just show you the results. So you can see there are no more gray hair which I was having earlier, right? So if you have this concern like कि अगर हम सिर्फ grey hair पे color करेंगे so it can look like mismatch, so no, this is never going to happen. All you have to do is select your right shade and you can see that it will look like naturally, and you have to color only on your gray areas. And I'll suggest you for L'Oreal because I've been using this color from last 3 to 4 years and I'm very satisfied. So that's it for this video. Bye.